It is day 2 of vinyl wrapping my Subaru BRZ. I was getting tired, but we had a lot of progress to make.
I'll take the crease.
No, you won't.
We've dealt with that like 4 times. It's not going out.
No, we're getting that out. Not doing a half done.
I like vinyl wrapping with Ethan because he is much more of a perfectionist than I am. If there is something wrong, we are fixing it, no questions asked in his eyes. And I appreciate that because it keeps me from getting lazy about it. However, this was his last free day, and so our time together was limited, so we made as much progress as we possibly could. We've been working on day 2 of the car, and while some work looks kind of ridiculously shoddy like this for example, there's not really any reason to not lazy max here. Wrinkles? Uh-oh, no wrinkles, covered by my new duckbill.
And we're gonna keep this hanging out like a little dress, so it's not gonna float in the wind. Look at that!
Yeah, perfectly covered.
It's pretty sick, man.
I like it. I really like the shape it adds to it.
Oh god!
No, this is fine. We got this in the bag.
Yeah, look at that. That's what we said. Well done.
I guess you have your feet online. Yeah, my toe was in the reflection for 2 seconds and I got 3 comments about it.
Look how close we are there.
Oh, we're about to do it.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna let you finish that. Dude, this has been so much fun.
Well, thank you. I literally finally able to do these pieces alone. My heart rate right now is so high because I'm so excited just from looking at it because it's like, it looks so good. I'm like, this is actually my car. I get to drive this. It looks so cool. Ah, oh no. So I got 2 days with Ethan. He carved a ton of time out of his schedule to help me wrap. He has left those, so the rest is on my own, but I think I'll be set. He helped me with so much of it. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so good. This is so pretty. I get to drive it. I get to drive this. It is now Monday. Yeah, Monday. Ethan was here Friday and Saturday, so we had our wrap party. It was like a house party, but instead of drinking alcohol and playing beer pong, we were downing energy drinks and making my car beautiful. Oh yeah, so we made a ton of progress. We started hardest piece to easiest piece, so it's only becoming easier as I go. We went pretty hard on the inlays. There's 3 inlays on the rear bumper. A pro rapper definitely could have done this in one piece. My conclusion so far is I'm having a ton of fun. It's been great. It's been incredibly frustrating sometimes, super tiring, and very hard, but I think it's very likely I'll do another car maybe in spring. So yeah, I mean, I can't wait. It's actually really exciting. Oh, that looks horrible. Whoa! I don't know what to do about that because I can't just like pull it up. I'm scared it's gonna tear. I might just have to leave it. Oh no, it'll be covered by the door handle, but that sucks. I think I heated it too much. Okay, I'm having to hype myself up because this is not only the biggest piece that I'm doing by myself, but it's the biggest piece, I just realized. This is the last big, hard piece. I'm tempted to do an inlay here, but I'm gonna try not to. So if I screw this up, it's so over because I would have to order more vinyl, which I don't have money for. Without further ado, I have to lay this down. Oh God. This sucks. This is so hard. I know this doesn't look like much, but I actually think we're gonna be okay. Nope, I fucked it up. Okay, heating up the whole piece helped a lot. I think it's just cold in here. It's 63 right now, I didn't realize. And it's just not sticking and it's very brittle. Okay, we're cooking. Oh, shit. This is going bad. I tore it. This is bad. That's not good. Alright, you can see the red peeking through. God. Honestly, I'm kind of saving it. What I'm about to do is something I would never do on someone else's vehicle. I'm gonna cut on the car and save as much of this as I can. If this was someone else's car, I would redo this whole piece, order some more vinyl. I fucked that up completely. Because that piece kind of put me in a bad mood because it went so horribly. I want to go ahead and put a taillight in. They're so pretty. Oh! Oh ho ho! Oh ho ho! I don't think it's wired correctly. That's my blinker. They are reversed. Okay, it turns out the solution's very simple. Thank the heavens. You just pull out these green and then you swap them. Crisis averted, that was easy. Oh wait, I gotta wrap this first, I forgot. We're almost there. Just gotta do that, and then this side, shark fin, and then those little bits that go in there. And then, oh, and the side mirrors. And then the car will be done. Whew, we're getting there. It's like a millimeter too far to the right.